in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows updates not working properly on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, select additional troubleshooters. And underneath get up and running, select Windows Update, resolve problems that are preventing you from updating Windows, and then run the troubleshooter for that. And then give that a moment. And then hopefully that would be able to resolve the problem. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.